Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to make all TikTok videos private at once. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step to take guys is to open your TikTok application and then go to your TikTok profile. After that, as you can see right here, I have only 3 videos. All right, so after that, just click on the 3 lines at the top right corner of your screen. Go to settings and privacy, and then click on privacy, and then you get the option to set your TikTok account to be private, which is actually the first option there. So with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. All right, so just go ahead and turn on the toggle button for private accounts, then click on switch anyway, and then once that is done, your videos will be private. All your videos will be private for all those who are not following your account currently. Alright, so this is how you can do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.